This video will show you how to easily install a Kwakwala language keyboard. So I'm in my Tech Untangled post that I posted here, and if you scroll down you'll see the link to the web page that houses the installation file. So clicking on that link will bring me to this page, and I click on the install keyboard. And you will have to do it twice because the first time brings you up to this screen, and if I click one more time it is actually downloading the installation file. Here it is up here. I'm going to click open file, and if you didn't catch this in time to click the open file, it will be in your downloads folder itself. So I'm opening up the file. It's asking for access to this, and I'm clicking yes, and I just click install. This takes a little bit because what it does is it downloads the exe file itself, and then it does the installation process. When you are done, you will receive this window here. Make sure that you start the keyman, because if you don't click start keyman, what will happen is you will the keyboard will be visible, but the special keys on the keyboard will not be accessible. So start keyman, go down to the bottom right of your taskbar and select your language for your keyboard itself. Toggle over to the Kwakwala, and if you opened up a Word document and use the keyboard layout, you can access your special keys.